Kitchenette Red Carpet Menu, where I take Oscar's Best Picture nominations and I turn them into delicious dishes. It is my 30th year doing this menu and it's never been better. This year we've got a Latin-esque theme. For a complete unknown, it's a complete onion, an onion and black bean soup. Unknown was a lot of fun to watch, and I've actually seen Bob Dylan live. Quite an interesting night. I decided I'd make an onion soup because there were so many layers to Dylan. He was growing and learning and changing and plugging in. That was not going over well. This soup is so good. It's got the spice. It's good to know that something really, really delicious doesn't have any ingredients but the best. Kitchenette, a little kitchen with a lot of flavor.